Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use templates in Videoleap. Videoleap offers ready-made templates that allows you to create professional trendy videos in minutes. Templates are pre-designed video styles that already include your transitions, effects, text, animations, music, preset timing. Instead of editing everything manually, you just insert your own photos or the videos and the template automatically applies the style. So first launch to the Videoleap app on a device, and after that on the bottom just beside the plus icon we can find all of the templates here. You can simply swipe down to find one of the template that you want to use, or you can simply search in the top right corner as well. As I'm going to select one of the template over here and select use template, and over here what you can do is you can select any of this search, or you can also go to your library, as I'm going to select here, and tap on one of the videos or the photos that you want to add, and that is it. This is how you can use the templates in the Videoleap. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.